Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by prepping both devices. Plug the Dime 3 into its case, ensure battery levels are sufficient. This prevents mid-pair failures. On your phone, open Bluetooth settings and stay on that screen. Now, press and hold the earbud button for about 3 to 5 seconds until the LED flashes white. This signals pairing mode. Once done, the buds broadcast their name. Make sure to keep the case open and earbuds near the phone for a steady signal during discovery. You'll see Skullcandy Dime 3 appear in the available devices list. Tap it to connect. When prompted, allow audio and media permissions so calls and media route correctly. Once you tap pair or connect, the phone negotiates profiles, A2DP for music and HFP for calls, so wait a few seconds for both to initialize. After connection, play a short audio clip to confirm left and right channels and latency are normal. If pairing stalls, close and reopen Bluetooth on your phone before retrying. You're almost done. Set the Dime 3 as the default output for both calls and media in your phone's audio settings, then walk through a call and music test. If pairing fails or audio is one-sided, perform a reset. Hold the earbud button for 10 seconds with the case open, then re-attempt pairing. A full charge cycle can also clear issues. Finally, install the Skullcandy app and update firmware if available, because updates resolve bugs and improve stability. One tip: toggle Bluetooth off/on the phone to clear stale caches.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.